Hello students, in this video we are doing chapter 5 arithmetic progression exercise 5.2. So in all these questions we have to apply one formula, general formula of AP, that is A is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A is your first term of the sequence, D common difference, N will be position of the term, and An will give you the value of the term. Suppose the sequence is there 3, 7, 11, 15. This sequence is in AP. A is your first term, A is here 3, first term is 3, common difference D is calculated by this formula, A2 minus A1, 7 minus 3 will give you 4, and suppose I take this term 15, then here An is 15 and 1, 2, 3, 4, it is coming at 4th position, so N will be 4, so here we can write A4 15. So this A4 is the value of the term and 4th is the position of the term. So here also we will apply the same formula. We are given A, we are given D, we are given N, and we have to calculate An. So An is A plus N minus 1 into D. Put the value of A, that is 7, plus N is given 8 minus 1, D is given 3. Now you have to just simplify the term. 7 plus 7 into 3 will give you 7 plus 21, and the answer will be 28. Second question, second part of the first question. Here again you are given A, same formula you will apply. An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Put the values. An is given 0 in this case. You have to find D. D you have to find. N is given 10, A is given minus 18, plus 10 minus 1 into D. Take this 18 to the left side. Positive हो जाएगा ये, and 10 minus 1 will give you 9D. So you can calculate D from here. D will be 18 by 9. So you will get 2 here. Third part. Here you have to calculate the first term. A calculate करना है. All other things are given here. Apply the same formula. An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A you have to calculate. An is given minus 5. N you are given 18. Minus 1, D you are given minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to A plus 17 into minus 3 will give you minus 51. So what will be A from here? A will be equal to, bring this minus 51 to the left side, minus 5, it will be plus 51. We are bringing it to other side. So A will be equal to 46. Now this is second question. You have to find the 30th term of AP, and this sequence is given 10, 7, 4. Same formula we have to apply, general term formula. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So I have written what are the indication of this A, N, D and An. So in this case, we'll get first A. A is 10. We'll calculate D. D is A2 minus A1. That will be 7 minus 10 will give you minus 3. And you have to calculate 30th term. So N will be 30 in this case. So apply this formula. An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. And put the values. A 30 you have to calculate now. So A plus 30 minus 1 into D. A is your 10 plus 29 and D is your minus 3. So it will be 10 plus 29 into minus 3 will give you minus 87. And the answer will be minus 77. So this will be the correct option. 4 options are given. You have to select the option in this case. Second question. Just select A. A is minus 3. Calculate D. A2 minus A1. This is minus half minus minus 3. ये minus और minus will give you plus 3 upon 1. Take LCM. LCM is 2 minus 1 plus 6 will give you 5 by 2. So D is 5 by 2 in this case. And you have to calculate the 11th term. So N will be 11. So just apply formula. A11 can be written as A plus 11 minus 1 into D. The same formula, in place of N I have written 11. So A is your, just put the value, A is your minus 3 plus 10, D is your 5 by 2. So this will be cancelled. 5 minus 3 plus 25 will give you 22. 22 is the correct answer. This is third question, first part. 2. This missing term you have to calculate 26. So there are total 3 terms, A1, A2 and A3. In all these type of questions we have to calculate A and D first. Then we can calculate all the missing terms. In each question first you get the value of A and D. Then you can calculate the missing term. And in this case A is 2 because A is called the first term. And we are given the third term. These 2 results are given. One is A1 and other is A3. From these 2 results we can get the value of A and D. So A is the first term. So first term is 2. A3. Apply this formula of general term A3. Now if I put 3 in place of N, I will get A plus 2D. A3 will be equal to A plus 2D. It can be written as 3 minus 1, N minus 1. Similarly, if you have to get A10, you can directly write A plus 10 minus 1, 9D. If you have to get 15 term, you can directly write A plus 15 minus 1, 14D. Like this you can write. So A3 can be written as A plus 3 minus 1, D equal to 26. So A plus 2D you can write. Now you put the value of A, get the value of D from there. So 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. 2D will be equal to 26 minus 2 and D will be equal to 24 upon 2 will give you 12. This is the value of D. Now you have to calculate the second term which is A2. So this formula you can apply. A plus 2 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 3. What is A here? 2 and D is 12. So the answer will be 14. So second term will be 14. Now just see the second question. In second question, again you have to find the 2 missing terms. 2 missing terms you have to calculate. A1 you have to calculate, A2 is given, A3 you have to calculate, A4 is given. So just see the given results. There are 2 results which are given. A2 is 13 and A4 is 3. So we'll make 2 equations from these 2 results and we'll get the values of A and D. A2 can be written as A plus D. 2 minus 1 will give you 1D is equal to 13. This is first equation. A4 can be written as A plus 3D and this is second equation. So we will solve these 2 equations by elimination method as you have done in linear equations in 2 variables. वहां पर हम x और y के लिए मोस्टली सॉल्व करते हैं. हियर विल सॉल्व फॉर a एंड d. इन दोनों के कोएफिशिएंट्स इक्वल आ रहे हैं, सबट्रैक्ट कर दो, सबके साइन चेंज करो. दिस विल बी कैंसल. माइनस 2d इज इक्वल टू 10. d विल बी इक्वल टू 10 अपॉन माइनस 2 विल गिव यू minus 5. This is the value of d. Now from 1 you get the value of a. A is your a plus minus d की वैल्यू 5 माइनस 5 डाली हमने ये is equal to 13. So a will be equal to 13 plus 5 18. a हमारे पास 18 आ गया यहाँ पर. Now which term we have to calculate here? We have to calculate a1. a1 is the first term which is a. So the answer will be 18. First missing term is 18. And then we have to calculate a3. a3 can be written as a plus 2d. a3 can be written as a plus 2d. 3 minus 1 2 आ गया हमारे पास. वैल्यूज पुट करो. a की वैल्यू 18 आ गई plus 2 and the d is your minus 5. So 18 minus 10 will give you 8. See the third part. इसमें भी तो मैं दो मिसिंग टर्म्स दो टर्म्स गिवन है एंड द रेस्ट आर मिसिंग. तो 4 मिसिंग टर्म्स यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट. सो व्हाट विल डू, विल फर्स्ट गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ a एंड d फ्रॉम द गिवन टर्म्स. इनसे हम a और d कैलकुलेट करेंगे. a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, a6. So we'll get the value of these. a2 given है हमें. a2 का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करो. That is a plus d is equal to 38. This is first equation. Second equation, a6 is given minus 22. So it can be written as a plus 5d is equal to minus 22. अब इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करो एंड गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ a एंड d. a plus d is equal to 38. a plus 5d is equal to minus 22. सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. माइनस माइनस प्लस, ये कैंसिल होके माइनस 4d is equal to प्लस प्लस 60 आ गया और d की वैल्यू यहां से आ जाएगा 60 माइनस अपॉन माइनस 4 will give you minus 15. This is the value of b, and from 1 you can get the value of a. a plus d is equal to 38. a minus 15 is equal to 38. a is equal to 38 plus 15, 53. Now you will get these terms. a1 is your a, that is 53. First answer is 53. Second one, a3. a3 is your a plus 2d. a is 53 plus 2d is your minus 15. So 53 minus 30 will give you 23. So this is the second answer. a3 is 23. We have to get a4 now. a plus 3d. a is your 53 plus 3 d की वैल्यू हमारे पास थी minus 15. So it will be 53 minus 45 will give you 8. और a5, a plus 4d, that is 53 plus 4d की वैल्यू minus 15. 53 minus 60 will give you minus 7. So these are the answers. In question 4, we have to find the position of the term of this 78. 78 कौन सी position पे आएगी? Which term of the AP is 78? So whenever we have to calculate position of term or number of terms, we get n. N we have to calculate. So in this case also we have to calculate n. 78 हमें given है, जिसकी पोजीशन कैलकुलेट करनी है. हम an का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे, a plus n minus 1 into d. We'll keep this an 78 क्योंकि ये वैल्यू ऑफ द टर्म है, इसकी पोजीशन कैलकुलेट करनी है हमें. तो ये 78 है हमारे पास, और a is first term. From here 3 and d you can calculate a2 minus a1. 8 minus 3 will give you 5. So a is here 3 and we have to calculate, और d हमारे पास आ रहा है 5. Bring this term to this side. 78 minus 3 n minus 1 into 5. It will be 75 upon 5 is equal to n minus 1. इस 5 को इसके डिनोमिनेटर में ले जाओ, ये मल्टीप्लाई में आ रहा है, इसके डिनोमिनेटर में ले जाओ, और तुम ब्रैकेट्स भी खोल सकते हो, बाद में इसको शिफ्ट कर सकते हो राइट लेफ्ट साइड. तो ये कैंसल हो गया, 15 आ गया, और 15 इज इक्वल टू n माइनस 1. इस n को इस साइड लेकर आओ 15 की तरफ लेफ्ट साइड. तो 15 प्लस 1 and n will be given, n will be equal to 16. So 16th term will be 78.